if you have an accident on a plant or you heavy cut the plant down, you will want to use a sealant. The sealant will repair and protect the damaged part of the plant, so the wound, so the diseases can't attack the tree. I just had an accident with a branch, a big one, of my orange tree, and I will protect her with this sealant. And then I will apply it to just a few of my plants with big trimmed branches and recent ones, because the older ones are already in a good state. But the recent ones, I will protect them so they can handle the winter, because now we are in the summer, but then the winter will come and the fungus will attack for sure. It's always better to avoid it. So here's the sealant. Use of gloves recommended, of course. And the one that's here, it has a brush inside the cap. Now I will just paint it. The area and the surroundings, as they say in the instructions. See the effect? Very nice, and I love this color because being brown, it stays very nice and blend very well with the plant. And I will take the opportunity to do the same, to seal this yucca that I pruned recently, and it was not very clean, the cut, but I don't want to touch it anymore. I want these new sprouts to grow, and then I will choose one to grow in the right direction to help avoiding diseases. And as I just purchased this, I will use it here as well. And the tree, which is a very beautiful tree, will thank me. I have a video showing how to prune these trees, the yucca. They are very nice as an ornamental tree, of course. This has a lot of product, and protecting this will help in the winter, especially with the fungi, and especially because I didn't make a clean cut. It's a bit with a bit of inclination, as it should be, but not quite clean, this part here, but it will stay like this. I don't want to stress this tree anymore. A bit more here. And this is a lamp, a solar lamp that I have here, and it gives like a flame here. It's very nice at night. It looks really like fire. This is a cedar that I have for a long time. It came from the north, so more than 20 years here, and I had to heavy prune it because he had a fungi disease. So all the leaves were brown, and I just couldn't solve it. Now that I'm invested in this, I pruned all the bad leaves here, so you see only clean and green leaves. and I had to prune it here. Now I will protect it with the sealant as well. There we go. I think I can save it because since I heavy pruned it, it got better. And so far so good. We didn't have more fungi diseases. I used Nettler extract. It helps to avoid diseases, fungus, and it's completely natural. It's from the urtica. It's the plant. And since then, he didn't develop any more brown leaves. But now it's summer, we will wait for winter to see what happens. And it has much more airflow here, so it helps with the diseases as well. Plants need airflow, otherwise the moisture that it gets stuck here will help to develop the fungi. See? The airflow here. And the results. This wonderful plant, the Ficus baroque, which is hybrid. It's a Japanese-made hybrid from a Ficus benjamina, which is, by the way, the regular ones that everybody knows, like this. And I heavy pruned it because it was getting too tall. And I will just seal the most recent stems. You can see that the old ones are with a good aspect, so I will not use on these ones, but only the recent ones. Potatoes, I made a video about it with the layering, the healing technique. They are much better now with just a few days. I will keep you updated about this and to see the results as well, of course.